You know, I used to love Halloween. It was a great time in my life, but we're at the point now at 42 years old, Mark has ruined it. And not only he ruined it, everybody else got nice costumes and all fancy stuff, and then he goes to like Discount Dave's and gets me a Wolfman look. So I just want to paint cars.
The problem is I started buying costumes. I bought mine first. Pretty nice. Nothing $1,000 won't buy, right? And I bought Alyssa's Elvira, you know. She don't want to wear it, that's fine. I got Dougie Frankenstein, he looks great. You know, Will's kind of was one of those things where I waited a little bit too long. You know, I tried to find him a good costume. You know, it's just, I think it's just basically it was a little bit too close to Halloween, so. Yeah, it's August.
You know, here comes all the phone calls. But let me tell you something. You never answer the first two. I used to answer the first one, and then he'd insult me and I'd hang up. Then he calls back. Then he insults me and I hang up. So standard rule of thumb, first 3 phone calls from Mark, no bueno.
You gotta go quick, you don't want the soap to dry. Huh? Hood.
And then my phone goes off. I look down and it's Heather. There's a little heart emoji. So of course I want to answer that one. It's Heather, it's my girl.
Hey babe.
What's your favorite scary movie? What's your favorite scary movie?
I'm not doing this.
See, he doesn't just torture me. He tortures everybody. Nobody's safe from this maniac.
All I'm trying to do is have a little bit of fun. This is our, what, 200th episode? Who knows? Ain't nobody hurt Dracula for having some fun. He carried on and had fun with people.
If you hang up on me, I'll cut you like a...
I don't know why everyone is so upset. This is great. Fire back. Oh, 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 oh.
Just when I thought it was safe to go outside.
I told you. You didn't believe me. He's lost his freaking mind.
You know, then just trying to get a car washed with my son. And then here comes a little remote control Mopar or something with the dog in it with a scream mask.
You wanna die like your mother did?